What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? To watch a tutorial video I mean. And in today's video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can log in into your Bank of America's online banking account. Now before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. And if you guys have any question, feel free to ask us in the comment. And let's get into the video without any further ado now, shall we? So the first step is you want to search for Bank of America login and click on where it says login to online banking over here. Now once you click on it, it will bring you to this website, and over here enter your user ID which is provided to you by your bank, and then enter the password of your account, and then click on where it says login. And once you do that, you should be able to log in into your Bank of America's online banking account. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like, and I will be seeing you guys on my next video. Bye bye until then everybody.